uguo no horo cio gukorwo kiri mwega turaruga tunyamu tuhano turaruga tunyamu tuhano tunyamu tuhano uguo yes katwikire othe niguo tuone nyamu tukihano uguo tutu dina kiota ukimonia hau mbere uria tugithondekagwo no tugithondekagwo na mutu wa mandathi ugekira karigo keru yes ugekira karigo keru wacoka riuga ugagikira karia ugakiruga tunyamu tuthako na tunyamu tuthako guo ni na tugagithii na mbere na kuruga nituo tutu hingwa tutana kiuma haha uguo kihana githemba giki uguo tukoya kamwe gwa kamwe tugoka tugeka atia tugaikia uguo muriega na arutwo akwa muthi ni ndimwikiriire video njega muno aria muthomaga na nie Gikuyu ndimwikiriire video njega muno those who are in my channel. I have a very good Kikuyu lesson there for this year. So kindly, if you have not watched that one, make sure that you go to my channel and see the video that I have uploaded today. Now uko gwita kuruga cooking gukuru ti gutherukia ni boiling sawa gutherukia you can turanyitana gutherukia boiling gukaranga frying. Are we together? Sawa nwanyita gucemukia boiling gukaranga frying. Are we together? Warm kuhiuhia tuhamwe kuhiuhia, that is warming. Okay, yeah, kuhia to get cooked. Tuthi na mbere na uria tugukiruga haha uguo tuthi na mbere na kuruga niguo horo uyu ukorwo wi mwega. Yes. Twakiruga indo njega uguo tena wagiciona haha uguo thi. Yes, we have cooked some buns. Maybe we can call them buns. I don't know if that is the right name, call them, but we can call them buns. Okay. Yes, and I'm frying them. Nigwikate ndireka frying tugo nigwika atia frying na Gikuyu andu aingĩ moigaga kurinda magutainĩ. Kurinda is like submerge in. So kurinda magutainĩ could be a better one instead of saying gukaranga. Okay, because gukaranga most of the time is when you are just frying like onions, frying like such things. Okay, yes, but now this one, when you are putting in a lot of oil to fry, that is to deep is it called deep frying? Yes, deep frying na Gikuyu no uge kurinda magutainĩ. And I'm notifying you that today I uploaded a video on our channel. I'm still trying my best so that we can improve our Kikuyu lesson. Niguo inaendelea na muno ni uhoro ucio. For those who are supporting me, asanteni sana. Ngai amurathime, may God bless you abundantly. Okay, yeah, so I'm so glad. And those who have not watched that video for today, kindly go to my channel. It is there. It premiered today, and it's a good one. That will be the first lesson this year, although in the presentation in that video it is the second one. Yes, and I'm still notifying you that I'm still offering one-on-one Kikuyu classes. Sawa. Yes, nindirathomithia Gikuyu. If you want one-on-one classes, you just need to contact me. Okay? Yes, not ogana chatureka ni kurinda magutainĩ. Kurinda is to submerge. like when people are being baptized, ando makibatithio ni kurindwo mai-ini, kibatithio gia kurindwo mai-ini ni ile baptism ya kuwekwa ndani ya maji. Tui hamwe? Yes, and I'm so happy today. I'm here. Yes, tugona tureka turarinda maguta-ini. We are deep frying, we are deep frying some buns, and I've explained to you how to make these buns. Take Mandazi's flour, that is self-raising flour. After taking the self-raising flour, mix it with some ripe bananas, okay? This will give you a very good bun, not the normal one that you are used to, that tastes like a little banana, because it contains marigo meru, ripe bananas, marigo meru. De mwega muno Ankuda Edina. De mwega muno Ankuda Edina. Thank you muno. De mwega muno. Yes, thank you for being in this life. Yes, we are making some buns, special ones that have some ripe bananas. You can tell me, have you ever made one? Ni uri wathondeka mandathi mena marigo. No nyende kumenya. Not just the normal things. It's very important for us to try many things when we are in this life, including how you cook things, make them different, okay? Yes, make them different. For instance, here I've given you my recipe, is that you take a self-raising flour. I don't really add salt or sugar in either. I leave it like that, but if you want to add sugar or a little salt, you can do that, okay? But the best one is when it doesn't have any, because bananas, ripe bananas, they have a lot of sugar, okay? Yes, they have a lot of sugar, so you don't need to add sugar or salt. It will not be the best. The best one is when you don't include either. Netwanyita. Yes, natuga maya metagwo mandathi ma marigo meru, and then you come here, you deep fry them for some time. When you are deep frying, make sure that you take your time. Don't be that very fast. Na niguo ndukarĩo nĩ nda. Kũrĩo nĩ nda, stomach ache. Kũrĩo nĩ nda, stomach ache. When you don't cook it correctly, no ũrĩo nĩ nda. Wanyita? No ũrĩo nĩ nda. No wanyita means, have you understood? Ne wanyita. Yes, have you understood? Yes, that's what we are making today here. As I remind you that we have a new lesson that premiered today. Go watch it. Go and watch also other videos. Let us make sure that we subscribe. Let us make sure that we do what else? All those things that are there on the YouTube there. Do them. Bring your comments. Say what you want to run in the Kikuyu language. Yes, when you hear me saying run, don't think I'm meaning like running, like going at a speed, okay? I mean run, ya ero. In Kikuyu you don't have L. That's why you hear that we struggle with letter L, okay? In Kikuyu you only have R, okay? Letter R, okay? We don't have Z. In Kikuyu language you don't have Z. We don't have another letter that is Q. We don't have another letter that is, tell me, S. Okay, we have C. C replaces both. So no kuigwa mudoroiga, you hear someone saying show. Okay, you hear someone saying show. Yeah, it sounds like a sound between S and C, okay? But we continue cooking. Thank you for those who are liking. Thank you for those who are with me. We are on the 10th minute. This will be ready, okay? It will just take 10 minutes to fry it. You can see it is turning brown. You can make this. You can make this from your house. You don't need to buy this one. I don't think even you can buy them. These are what you call madness. Ogoroki madness. Okay, when you hear someone saying Ogoroki madness. Ogoroki madness. Okay, You got it. If you hear someone calling you Mogoroki, that person is calling you a mad person. And I think they are ready. We are already on our 10th minute. And I'm reminding you, go to my channel if you are wishing to learn Kikuyu language. If you wish to join my paid classes where we do one-on-one lessons, you can also go there. You'll find me, okay? Are we together? Yes, and that is it. So these are now ready. Yes, and my stew is still ready here. Yes, and for us Kikuyu, we say gadufu is very important. You can see it here. You can see it here. This is miji. What else is there? Waru, and there's some meat there. Yeah, so that is it. Okay, so may God bless you. May God do you good and continue supporting this work. Let us learn Kikuyu language together. I will be preparing some books, some materials there, and I will be sharing them with you. So, Kaidre, you can leave your email. You can check with me for those free materials. If you want the paid one, they are better off, and you can find me on the number +254 +254 31. I'm even forgetting. +254 317-877. From there, you are going to get me, or on my email, Martin Karari Wamaina. May God bless you. Thank you for joining me in making those buns. Bye bye for now. See you later.